ballin' like rage. Fucking your bitch every day. Keep it packed, never hop in the jet. Cashing out, fell in love with the bank. She looking at me and she like me. Now her nigga wanna fight me. Can't do it, can't fuck on my white tee. I'ma do him like Nike. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Sean. I'm back with another video. Now today, I'm gonna be getting my box braids after over 40 days. I know y'all probably wondering why I got this hairnet on. It basically shapes your hair bun. You can adjust it however you want. You can make it flat, you can make it skinny, and literally let it sit for about 5 minutes, and your hair bun will look perfect. I actually made a video about this, how to make a perfect hair bun using a hairnet. The link will be in the description below. I'm about to get these box braids and I'm gonna show y'all the end result, so stay tuned. Get it? Bro, I didn't have my hair done in so long, so the fact that it's done and it looks good, I'm super excited. You could clearly see my part in the middle of my head. That is very important. Your part keeps your box braids nice and neat. And you see how I secured the bottom of my box braids with the rubber band? That not only protects your box braids, but it prevents split ends. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, hope you guys enjoyed it, and most importantly, I hope you guys learned from it. Like, share, subscribe if you're new, and I'm out, bro. Gang!